Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I would like to show you a mini album I made. This mini album was using paper from the P13 group, and this is called Cosy Christmas. It's really a phenomenal paper pad, and I enjoyed working with it. Both Leah from Ode to Paper and myself decided to collaborate and make something from the same paper collection. And then we were going to do a project share and show you what we made. So this is what I made with it. And I'm interested to see what Leah made. So check the description box for the link to her YouTube video, and you can see what she came up with. First, you've got to know that P13 makes not only a fabulous product because their artistry is beautiful, but all of their packaging is usable. I'll show you as I go through it, but I can't show you the paper pad because I've cut it up. There's nothing left. On the inside cover for the front and the back inside cover of the paper pad are cut aparts, and I did cut them apart and use them. So for the cover, I layered up some of the elements from the ephemera kit and added a couple of different things. I added some ribbon. I added crocheted ribbon. I added these. To me, they look like snowballs. So there's a couple added in there. I also die cut some leaves and put that in just to add some dimension. This mini album is 5 by 7, and I am sure on my tutorial I have a similar mini album tutorial. So inside, the inside front cover has a flap and a pocket, and I put just some of the leftover elements. This was from the back of the cover of the paper pad. And then this is a card that you can put your photos right on. Don't you just love this beautiful picture? It could be someone's mantle. And then this was one of the pieces of ephemera, or it was in the tags. I got the ephemera kit and then the tags. This was part of the paper collection, and I just glued the sides and bottom and put a little ribbon in through the hole, and that is a beautiful tuck spot. This was from the paper pad too, and that's a beautiful spot to journal. And this was just one of the scraps that I just simply added a piece of ribbon to. The pages, page 1, 3, and 5, are open at the top, and I have a large tag in here, which is a perfect spot to journal on, or if you wish, you could add some other photos. I love the neutral colors of the paper collection. It just came out so pretty. So these were from the ephemera kit, and this leaf, I guess it's pine needles, I die cut, and this just makes a perfect tuck spot. Now this comes out entirely, and it gives you some more room to put your photos. That opens up, this opens like that, and that opens like that. So again, anything that I added is open on the top, bottom, whatever, so you can add your photos to it. So this is open, and so is that. So that'll close like that, and that simply sits nicely in this little pocket. And then you see the back. And this is open, so you could tuck something in there. I did pop up that star so it was dimensional. So same thing, this was one of the cut aparts from the pages, and I just glued it on the side and the bottom. That was one of the tags. That was cut apart. And this was a piece of paper that I just glued together, cut like a tag, and added a piece of ribbon to. And here is the cut apart that I put inside that page. I was running out of paper, so I didn't put something on the back, but you could put a photo there. And then here's another little spot for journaling. And I think that, yeah, this was from one of the covers, and I just cut that out and just adhered it on the bottom, so it makes yet another tuck spot. And pages 2 and 4 are similar in that they are they've got 4 pages on each side that you can put photos on. So there's that, and that'll fold. There's the back of that. So here is this. Now I cut out this page. It was a 6x6 page, and I cut it down and then fussy cut along the edges of the tree. And then I just added some of the cut aparts. I'm sorry, from the ephemera kit. All right, and that goes in like that. And same thing here. I cut that down and then fussy cut that chair. And this makes a beautiful background for that page. Love the little macrame on there. Isn't that adorable? That was from the cut apart page. That was, I think it was from the front or back cover. And then I just took, oh, this is one of the packaging. This design is one of the pieces of packaging that I just cut down and added a couple of decorative edges to it. And there you go. It's a journaling card or place to put photos. And here's another tag that goes in this top loading pocket and room there for a beautiful photo. And then at the back I did add all of the leftover pieces. So that was on the back of the cover. And this was one of the pieces of ephemera. I added a piece of crocheted lace to that. Here is a cut apart, and that will go back in the pocket. And I made a tag with some of the leftovers. And then there is another cut apart and 2 little tags that I just added a little bit of real thin paper to and tied at the top. And then the back, so that's that lace. And this is just strips of paper. I wouldn't have added this, but this green just showed very bluntly and I didn't like it. So I put this on and then added these. These are from the back inside cover. And then there is the spine, and we are back to the front. So go check out what Leah did with this collection. It really is a beautiful collection. I give props to P13 again for their beautiful elements in here. So such beautiful pictures. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.